Let's see a quick real world example of how focusing on maintenance does improve testing overall. So, this is one where Peloton significantly reduced test maintenance time by adopting Applitools to replace their previous solution. And in the previous solution, it was really plagued by a lot of excessive false positives and negatives, even due to the pixel based approach. So, by integrating Applitools and the visual AI technology into their pipelines, they were able to automate visual and native mobile testing for a lot of the features they have, like class scheduling, filtering menus, real-time leaderboard validation, which obviously probably has a lot of dynamic content because it's shifting constantly. If any of you have ever used Peloton, you know you're striving to get on that leaderboard, right? So, all that to be said, this shift really enabled them to save a lot of time. And you can see here approximately 130 hours per month and reduce their test maintenance time by about 78%.